way to start my morning is with my hot chocolate. Will not start my morning without it, especially on a long day like this. And of course, my car has to be thirsty as well. It needs some fuel. Alright, we're in the shop now. I gotta get the S13 ready. Just got back from paint and I gotta put all the body kit on it last minute right before the open house. So it's gonna be hectic, but we should get this done in time. Alright, I show you guys that we're putting the body kit back together. The car came back from paint this morning and it had no body panels on, so we're almost done putting it together. You can see the front end. It's all a square that it can be right now. It's all tight. Then we're gonna put new wheels on it, and then Trevor is on the back of the rear bumper. I think he's done. I think he's done. Yeah, look how fresh.
Looks like it never hit a wall.
You wanna see something cool, Marco? Look at this. Come look in here. Look at all the wheel space now.
Oh dang, look at that. That's like up here?
Yeah, like 4 inches up. You got 4 inches of travel now. Hey, now we came by to help. Oh, what are you helping me with?
What?
Oh, typical Navo, always not helping, huh?
Whatever.
You gonna do that again to me?
See, he never helps.
tired.
He's lazy. All he wants to do is sit in his car and drive, listen to...
Meanwhile, we got everybody already waiting
wrestling
outside.
podcasts for 8 hours.
The anticipation is building to go right through those doors and get some merch. And see the cars.
Alright, now start going that side, yeah.
Showman, you're in the way. What
I'm
are you
never in the
doing? Wait. Are you guys gonna drift here or something? Tires? Alright, it's time to lower this thing and see what it looks like. Showman, shine those tires up. Come on.
Go.
This thing looks so sick. It's the first time ever seeing it. So you guys get to see it at the same time as we do. Check out the new fitment on the car. This is so wide now. So cool. Oh, look outside, yeah. Go,
Huh? No, that's on.
Them sales going on.
No, we don't have that. Sorry.
Adam literally told me no two-stepping, and I think he's gonna do it before I do it. There's no way. He's calling me. What are you doing, Adam? All right, it's happening. Tommy's warming up the Skyline. I'm gonna warm up my car. It's happening.
You warm yet?
Yeah.
Are you about to let it rip?
Warmed up, but I'm not gonna do it yet. I'm gonna tease everybody a little bit.
It's gonna be loud.
All right, we're armed.
Cover your ears.
He'll do it even louder, but it's only 11 PSI. All right, last one.
Where's DJ's?
Come on, T, they're calling you out. Yeah. Everybody loving two-step. Yeah.
Thumbs up, Red.
I don't even know what I'm recording. I can't see anything but people.
Look over the phone.
I can't even see anything but people.
Here, come on. Come on.
It's too close. I got stuck between all the cars now. Come on, TJ, hurry up.
It's taking him a while. Not there yet.
Alright, it's time to call reinforcements. Let's do step a little bit more. Well, I just ate some Gringos Locos Double D's, but now we gotta start this walk and check out what's happening. I don't even know where to start. It's just stuff everywhere. Let's just start by my car. Alright, I had a little episode, I think in anxiety or something, so I almost felt like I was gonna die. And then I'm going back out before the event ends. Meanwhile, look at the big line that there's over here to buy merch. It's like all over the place, and Adam's over here, really cool, signing everything for the guys. I wonder what happened here, like, where'd everybody go? This whole side is empty, and then I think maybe everybody's buying stepping cars.
Show her the picture.
That's where you belong, Big Goose.
Thank you, Bobby. Sign her jacket, go ahead. And you know you gotta guard my purse. Thank you, Bobby. I appreciate that.
No problem.
Making sure that you know that we're loading this truck.
Look at all the toys they got in there.
I know, it's beautiful.
The thing is,
You know what?
almost
People
full.
are being proactive and I like it. Let me get out of your way, Bobby.
Oh wait, we gotta show Adam's S15. Look at the beautiful 3AC build over here. It took like 2 weeks to make the setup or like decide what to go with, but it turned into the ultimate 2AC setup. Let's see where the noses are coming from. That moment where you can two-step right next to the police cars and not get in trouble, isn't that the coolest thing ever?
Hi.
Get out of the way!
I'm bad.
Why are you filming the feds?
R34 Scott is what's making all this noise. Alright, over here we have a BC Racing. There's a couple cars. Pretty much everybody already left. So I'm trying to see what else do we have over here that I can still film that's interesting. It looks like everybody's already like... I guess this is the end. Alright, walking back through the shop. There's still a line going on over here. We got the S13 and there's no car over here. Walking through.
What's up,
Walking through.
What's up?
How's it going, guys? Walking through. Excuse me. There's still a key over here. And then more cool stuff over here.
I'm sorry, man.
It's alright, I know. I understand.
This concludes the trip. It looks like everybody's almost gone. There's a few people left. Cars are back inside the shop. Yeah, it looks like I'm definitely gonna have to call it a day. I want to go home. I'm super tired from all this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the two-step battle. It was really fun. Let's see what happens on the next following events.